And as India cracks down on its heavy dependence on gold imports with an increased duty of 15%, traditional jewelers are concerned. Gold prices have remained high over the past year, with the Iran war only adding further fuel to volatility. And this has left heavy bridal jewelry out of bounds for many. Now, in this edition of what we're going to be what we're bringing to you, Big Business Bet, WION spoke to retail jewelers to understand if lighter jewelry is the next big bet. Take a look.
Well, gold remains India's favorite safe haven asset and a wedding essential. But now, with the government increasing the import duty to 15% and the West Asia conflict, that has kept prices volatile and near record highs. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has suggested against non-essential purchases for at least about a year. But now, with the wedding season just a few months away, Indian jewelers are concerned. And today, on this edition of Big Business Bet, we decode if lighter jewelry is the next big bet that they are taking.
30 grams का gold का set आज की date में.
We have made gold sets of 35 gram gold which look like 75 gram. Earlier, bangles were made in 12 gram. They are now available in 7 gram. Other than that, pendant sets, Mangal Sutras, now start from 4 grams.
30 ग्राम के अंदर में 50 ग्राम की जगह में इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे.
मोदी जी की स्टेटमेंट से आई थिंक बिजनेस इतना प्रभावित नहीं है.
PM Modi's statement about buying non-essential gold has not impacted business much. The statement was meant to reduce the import of 24-karat gold. As far as consumer behavior is concerned, people are now exchanging their old gold with new gold, which is beneficial to them. So, it is not very concerning.
And we all know that the gold prices are controlled by the international market. So yes, the prices of gold has been increased, but it is increased due to the ongoing war-like situation in West Asia. But those people who can afford, they are buying gold. And the marriages, what you talked about, so people always procure commodities for the marriages well in advance. Maybe a little slowdown, but once this West Asia crisis is over, the market will recapture and everything will be streamlined in a most holistic manner.
That the people who are taking out their gold from the locker and coming to sell, considering that the demand will go down and the prices will come down. So on Tuesday, when government raised the import duty, so this was a second blow that came to the industry. Now we were dealing with the higher prices, we were dealing with the lower margins, we were dealing with the request that was made by the Prime Minister, and now this thing has dented the industry very badly, and we think that demand can go down by 25% to 30% this year only. Due to high prices, the demand for the jewelry is on the very lower side.